Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how you can stream or broadcast your gameplay on Steam. So to do that, first thing you need to do is go to settings, go to count, and here you can see beta participation. In my case it is already updated. It will be showing none into your account once you set up. So after you change it, it will ask you to restart Steam, and after that, once it's download and install the Steam again, you have to go to broadcast, and here you will see settings, broadcasting disabled. But once you click on that, you will have to change so anyone can watch. It's like this. And other settings like video dimensions, maximum bitrate, optimize encoding quality for, so you can change those, and also tick anything from the list, or you can also configure a mic here and click on OK. So it will take 2 or 3 minutes to accept your application or some kind of, I don't know, but it will take 2 or 3 minutes. After you have done that, go to settings again, just go to settings again and broadcasting. It will take you to this page. So this page, and currently you can see as please stand by live broadcast. It is turning on. Let me show you. Here it is. So I have opened the game, and you can see that it is already on and it's working. My mic is working, it is live, and one is watching. That is played by me. So you can see here, if I go to here, you can see that broadcast will minimize here. So this is it. This is how you simply can do it. If you have any more questions, ask in a comment and let me know. If it helped you, leave a like and share with your friends. Thanks for watching.